In today's new notebook, we have Dr. Janette Mongelli here. She is an audiologist with the Arizona Hearing Specialists. Tell us a little bit about sort of hearing loss. If people start to think that they might be experiencing some, what should they do?
Yeah, so I would say the first thing to do is contact an audiologist and schedule a hearing test. Adults age 60 to 69 tend to be the largest population right now who have hearing loss, but it develops gradually over time. So we say even around 55 or so, we'd recommend coming in for a hearing test.
A good option to go in, and there are so many different treatment options.
Exactly. So the treatment options depend a bit on what the test shows. So some patients may have some issues that they need to go see an ENT for. Other patients may be ready to proceed with hearing aids. Other patients might be referred to discuss cochlear implants. So the treatment option really depends on the patient and what their needs are.
And if a person were to need hearing aids, how do you go about figuring out which is best for them?
Yeah, so that's really a collaborative effort between the audiologist and the patient. So we try to consider what is appropriate in terms of their hearing loss, as well as what technology they might wish to have, what features they're looking for, and then of course price, because that's always a concern for folks as well.
Yeah, a lot of factors that go into that. So you mentioned
absolutely.
that 50 age to kind of go get checked, but how often should people go? Because it's constantly changing.
Exactly. So once you have your baseline hearing test, we usually would say about every year or so. The exception would be if you've noticed a change in your hearing, especially if it's a drastic change. You want to contact us as soon as possible.
Perfect. Dr. Mongelli, anything else that you want to add today?
No, we're just excited to help Tucson residents with their hearing, so come see us.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely.
We are going to have a link to Arizona Hearing Specialists on our website. We're going to take a quick break. You're watching Au.D. We'll be right back.